Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to recover deleted file or deleted data using 4DDIG data recover software. So what is the process, where is available, and how to install and how to data recover. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Simply open here new tab and just put it this particular link. I already put it a link in same video description. Inside the link, you look at this here, 4DDIG Mac data recover. Same process for Windows, but today I am just accessing this framework in my Mac operating system. That point of view, I am providing you demo using my Mac. So look at this here, recovery unlimited data on Mac, complete data recovery, everything you lost in your Mac, all Mac based devices including USB, SD card, digital camera, etc. Easy and fast. So look at this here. If you are using my code, so you can get 30% discount using this code, especially on for my subscriber. We can scroll down here. Recovery data in any scenario instantly, like empty thrash, academic deletion, update failure, system crash, disk damage, corrupted, partition loss, CPU failure, broken screen, antivirus attack, and disk format. If you are facing such kind of activities in your Mac operating system, 1000+ files and format are supported for this data recovery. That one is really amazing. Photo related and number of formats are available, video related number of formats are available, audio like email related some formats are available, documents related some formats are available, and archive and other formats also available. The support consider all format and you can very easily access those data. So now we'll start. First of all, I install the software here. Software size is very small, and then click here, just simply drag and drop on my application menu. Before doing process, we can see here about the software packages. If you want buy this software, so we will see what exactly price. So look at this here, 1 month license $55.95, just own. It's very cheap. If you are applying this 30% discount, so you can get 30% discount in this price. 1 year license, 1 computer, auto renewal, free technical assistant, and so many options are available. Same process like 1 year license. Exactly, if you are paying $14 extra, so you get 1 year license pack. Think about this. So my suggestion, you can buy this one, $69, and same process, and the lifetime also available 190. I am buying this one 190 because of I need to lifetime license point of view. So I buy this one 1 year and I get 30% discount also. That point of view, I am making this video and share with my all subscribers, so you can very easily recover the data. Payment are accepted: PayPal, MasterCard, Visa card, JCB, American Express, MasterCard, and Blue. So many payments accepted they are. It's very simple. Business related packages also available, 1 year and 5 Mac unlimited, 499 annual pack, and number of Mac you can connect with this particular license. It's very cheap. Now we'll simply open here my software. Open, added my system password here. Installation is successfully done. So I just simply added here my license key, register email address and code. So I added here my register email address and my code and just simply register. We'll see registration is going on. Look at this, my registration is successfully done. So here my all license related information. After done successfully, I just simply open this software and I just simply added here my external device. Because of my internal hard drive, I don't want recover any data, so that point of view, I added here external drive of my one of pen drive, and the pen drive size is 62 gigabytes, and I just simply scan here. So scanning is fast and it's done. It's within a second, entire data is search is done. Now I just simply recover the data. So I scan here. So look at this. So 32 items found, 22 gigabytes, entire data is scanned. So I just simply select here, and here a number of movies are showing here. So I just simply recover one of the movie. Look at this here, like Dasvi, and then simply I recover. The software are asking where exactly you recover the movie. I put it here, desktop location, save. So look at this, the movie is recovered. and really amazing software. And the recovery point of view, it's very fast process is going on. So here is my desktop, the movie is recovered here. So you just consider I recover here one of the movie, but you don't consider you can always recover only movies. You can recover your important data, documents also. So look at this, recovery is successfully done. I just simply open here, deleted movie, and I just simply play, and this movie is a play. That one is a really amazing. So you can recover accordingly which data you want to recover. So you just simply select and recover the data. Here some other data is also available, like, so suppose for example we can see as one of the demo. Suppose I copy this file and here is my pen drive. So I delete this folder and here is pen drive, name is sync, and now I delete this file here, and now we can recover the image or recover or not. It's very simple. I just simply open here external hard drive. I just simply scan again, so we can see here deleted file almost is done. So we see here deleted file. So this image I just simply delete. So we stop here. Now time to recover of only JPG, PNG. Okay, now I simply recover, desktop, open. Now I open here, deleted file. Look at this here, within a second, 2-3 minutes ago I delete this file and I recover using the software. That one is a really amazing software. Using the software you can very easily recover entire data. You can do same process and apply my 30% discount coupon available on same video description. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.